Hey, let me quickly explain how we can charge your CMF Buds Pro. So first of all, to charge earbuds, you will have to for sure input them inside this charging case. That's like really obvious, right? But if you want to recharge your case, you will have to actually use the USB-C cable and plug it right here. But you don't have to actually get the original cable from CMF or from nothing. As you can see, I'm using the cable from my phone, and when you actually connect this cable inside this charging USB case, you will find that the indicator turns red, and it means that your case is actually charging. Also, you can use the charging brick. I just connected this cable into my monitor from the PC, but also you can connect this into the charging brick, and also you don't have to get an original brick from CMF or from nothing. I'm using actually the old Huawei P30 Pro charger, and it works fine with these earbuds. And yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.